Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on joining Wi-Fi networks on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to open the control center. Then hold down on the Wi-Fi icon in the top right. Tap the Wi-Fi network that you would like to join. You will then have to enter the password for the network. Tap Join in the top right. Your watch is now connected to that Wi-Fi network. You can also get to the Wi-Fi settings in the Settings app. To do this, tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the Settings and tap Wi-Fi. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.